going to the wrong provider. I think that you need to know that your provider is not only trained in the procedure that you're getting, but also the possible complications that can go along with it. So if there was a complication of an infection that is very rare, or an occlusion where the filler gets into the blood vessel, it is very important that the provider is trained to recognize the complication and treat it and have the availability of the reversal agent or the skill and education to make sure that the patient is seen out properly. I feel like at Pure Skin, all of our providers are very well trained in adverse reactions as well as the actual procedure, but then we also ensure follow-ups and tell the patient in the room what to call us about if they are experiencing. We have it in writing, we say it to the patient, and then we also do a follow-up call for the majority of our patients the following day if they had any questions. Other mistakes, I would say, of medical procedures are sun exposure. No one should get any sun exposure directly. I am a big advocate of wearing a big hat, SPF 50 or higher on vacation, reapplying every 2 hours, not going in direct sunlight hours, and hiding from that sun. So if you are getting any laser treatments, you want to avoid the sun no matter what, 2 weeks before, 2 weeks after, and you want to make sure that you have zero tan on you because the laser is attracted to pigment. So if there is any tan that is there, it's going to pull that pigment out, and your risk for burning or not healing properly is definitely going to be there. Another mistake is not telling the provider your full medical history when asked. So any past medical history, medications. When you get your lips done, the provider asks if you have any history of cold sores because it can, increase the risk of an outbreak of a cold sore, so we would want to preventively treat that. And then also not listening to the post-care instructions of any of these procedures as well, such as, alcohol consumption, anti-inflammatories that can thin the blood and cause more bruising, exercise directly after, or not wearing makeup directly after, to decrease all those possible complications.